well, I quickly got here so that we won't delay. You will find this P2P trading option on the first interface. Once you just log into your Bybit, you will see there are so many options on the top display. So you will see P2P trading. Once you click it, it will load and it will bring you here. Now if you look now, you will see we have the buy and sell option. Now first of all, I will have you know that once you are doing your P2P trading, especially if you are somebody that is in Nigeria, because cryptocurrency currently now is something that the government have not actually given a full go ahead, so it's kind of like prohibited. So if you are doing any form of cryptocurrency trading, you should not use any crypto word, whether you are buying or you are selling, otherwise your account will be blocked. But if you are not in Nigeria, you are free depending on your country's regulation. So but why you are seeing Naira here now is because I'm in Nigeria, so we're using the Naira trading option. So once you get here, if you want to buy or sell on Bybit, you must know that you are safe, in the sense of the person that you are buying from or selling to cannot cheat you, because there is what we call escrow. So what that escrow means is Bybit is serving like a trustworthy party in between you and the buyer or the seller. That is to say, for example, now if I'm buying from this person, if I tap buy, okay, let me just tap it, so we'll go ahead and see. Now you see some people are ineligible. So okay, you see now price has changed. Okay, we'll just tap on confirm. Okay, they gave us another user. Okay, no, let me first explain this now. Okay, now we have, I want to trade USDT. For example, now we have amount, so there is a filter. You can choose the amount you are looking for. For example, if you want to buy USDT worth 10,000, you input it there, whatsoever amount. If you want to buy worth 50,000, you put it there. So let's just say for this tutorial, we're buying USDT worth 50,000. We tap on confirm. It's confirmed already. Then we look for payment method. You are just trying to set your filter, so we'll look for payment method. What you will choose here is that you choose there are so many options, but the best for you to choose is bank transfer. You choose bank transfer and you tap on confirmed. So once we confirm, we'll see any seller that fit into this filter. So for example, now we see, now if you look at this the people that are selling now, all of them, they have different profiles. You understand? Like now for this person, now this Quincy Love is verified. This person has made a total of 1,909 orders with 99% completion. So you can see Bybit is even referring the person as a top pick for new user. You understand? So you have to look at the completion of each buyer, so you can know how quick you can trade. And this is how you can see if the person, for this person this person was online a minute ago, but if you want to do a quick trade, an express trade, you go for someone that is directly online. You understand? So let's tap on this third person that is online. So okay, we tap on buy. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel right now, so you stay connected whenever I post videos like this. Please drop your comments in case you have any question. Let me know where you are watching from. Kindly subscribe now, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. So we've tapped on buy. You wait for it to load. Okay, this person, you see what they wrote here, insufficient add inventory, so we'll leave that person. You go to the next. So there's no need to there are so many people that you can buy from. So while we wait for it to load, what you do now is that you are buying with Naira. So that's why you see it is with fight. So you can just select your amount here again. So let's tap on it. Let's tap on that 50,000. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's just use this figure. You could see what they showed me before, that the value was below the limit what the seller wants to sell, what I can buy from this person, because each of them set a limit. So I'm not actually buying, it's just a tutorial guide. See, as I tap with faith now, how much is this now? We have 3 zeros here. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. That's with 1 million naira I will get 600.2437 worth of USDT. You understand? So the next thing you will do is that you will read the person's remarks and instruction. You see what the person wrote here, you take your time and read it. So once you are done reading it, you now click on the buy option. So you tap on buy, just the way I did it now. So you tap on buy. So now when you tap on buy now, you see it, the seller detail, everything is here again. So now, but before you make a purchase, make sure you contact seller. So Bybit provides you an option whereby you can chat with the seller. Like for example, you can say, hey, are you online? I want to buy. Are you online? Can I make my transfer? Now, while you are making that payment, whatever conversation you are having, there is a time limit set for this transaction. So you have to complete this transaction within this time limit. So if I tap here now, I can just contact the seller. You see, we can just have a chat and I read through. I take my time carefully. So once I have made payment, I inform him that I've already make a payment. Then automatically you can see the seller is already chatting me up that he's online, but I'm not making any, I'm just doing a tutorial video. So I can just chat with the seller now that I want to buy. Then once seller will tell me I should go ahead and buy. Meanwhile, the amount that I fixed, the seller is already seeing it. So after I've made payments, automatically the seller will just go to his or her account and confirm. Once the person have confirmed that I've made payment, notice, you have to note this, once you make payments, you come back, just minimize. You understand? You don't need to clear this. You minimize and go to your account. After you make payments, you now come back and tap on this pay now. You understand? So if I tap on this pay now, the seller detail will appear. So this seller is using PalmPay. So once I'm done, once you tap on this pay now, once these details appear, you just copy them. You understand? So now I can just tap on this place now. You see, I can just tap on bank account. I copy with the seller's name and everything. Once I'm done making payments, I come here and click payment completed. Once I click payment completed, it will notify Bybit. Bybit will notify the buyer, the person I'm buying from, that I have already made payment. You understand? So the person will just send me the USDT and that's all. So the same way you buy, that's the same way you will sell.